The code U0415 in a Ford vehicle means that the powertrain control module doesn't get proper data from the ABS module. In this case, you may see all kinds of lights and warnings on the dashboard, and surprisingly, the transmission may go to limp mode and stop shifting properly. There are basically 4 reasons for the U0415 code, and some of them you may check and fix on your own. First of all, check the battery health with a load tester. If the battery is low, the ABS module may fail to deliver proper data to other modules in the system. Also, it makes sense to check if the main ground point is tightened and doesn't look corroded. This is the ground point that you can track by following the cable from the negative battery terminal. Then the second common culprit is a failing ABS sensor in one of the wheels. It may send wrong speed data, and so transmission goes to limp mode to protect itself from potential wheel spinning. A good scanner will help you understand which wheel sends wrong data. It may be a faulty sensor, but in older cars with high mileage, I would also have a look at the ABS rings. They may be rusty and destroyed, which will affect ABS readings. Then it makes sense to have a look at the ABS module connector. Sometimes it may be loose or affected by water. Any corrosion on the pins means that you need to clean it properly or have a car electrician clean and check the system. Unfortunately, wiring may fail in other spots, like the wire connecting the ABS sensor with the module, or the harness connecting the ABS module with the PCM or ECU, etc. In such cases, you will need professional help to find the defective spot in the wiring. Finally, the ABS module may be faulty. I wouldn't say it's a very common problem in Ford cars, but if you've tried everything and couldn't find the culprit for the U0415 code, the module will need to be checked by a good mechanic. Anyway, I hope that you will fix the issue by testing and charging the battery, replacing the faulty wheel speed sensor.